Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kashish and शायद ऐसा लगेगा नहीं but I used to be a really shy person. Have you ever met some people जो बोलते हैं and you just feel like you just want to listen to them? मतलब आप बस सुनते रहना चाहते हो उनको because of the way they speak, because of the way they talk to you, the way they carry themselves, the way they present themselves in a room full of people. I think we've all met them. Some of us might be those people as well, but most of us, I'm sure, have met at least one such person. If you want to be such a person, keep watching this because this video is definitely for you. आई थिंक बहुत लोगों को ऐसा लगता है, आई शुड से बहुत लोगों को ऐसी गलत फहमी है कि अगर उन्हें इंग्लिश आती है तो दे कैन बी अ गुड पब्लिक स्पीकर, और किसी को अगर इंग्लिश आती है तो दे डेफिनेटली नो हाउ टू स्पीक इन अ रूम फुल ऑफ पीपल. दे कैन डेफिनेटली ओन द स्टेज और ओन द रूम. वेल, लेट मी ब्रेक इट टू यू. That's not true. Well, that's not necessarily true. So yes, there are so many people जिनको बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है और वो बहुत अच्छे से लोगों से बात भी करते हैं. They are very good public speakers. They are very confident. But it does not mean that आपको अगर इंग्लिश नहीं आती है या कोई अगर उतना फ्लुएंट नहीं है, if you don't know many big words or if you are not that fluent, if you that does not mean that you can't be a good public speaker. Let me tell you how you can do that. Now I'll be sharing a few things, a few tips, I would say, that you can use, that you can follow if you're not that confident. And अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि maybe you need a few things जिससे कि you look more confident or you sound more confident, this is the video for you and these are the steps for you. The first and the very 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 important thing, आई कॉन्टैक्ट. एंड इसीलिए मैंने इस चीज को पहले नंबर पे रखा है बिकॉज आई कॉन्टैक्ट कहने को तो बहुत छोटी सी चीज है बट इट इज जेन्युइनली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इफ यू वांट टू लुक कॉन्फिडेंट. आप अगर किसी के साथ एक आई कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रहे हो while स्पीकिंग एंड ऑल्सो while लिसनिंग टू द पर्सन, आई थिंक देन द अदर पर्सन विल ऑटोमेटिकली फील कि यार शायद ये इतना कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है. तो बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है दैट दे आर नॉट दैट कॉन्फिडेंट कि वो एक आई कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन कर सके. व्हाट दे डू इज दे कीप लुकिंग हेयर एंड देयर. तो ठीक है, आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली स्टेयर नहीं करना है किसी की आंखों में. यू कैन ऑफ कोर्स लुक एट योर सराउंडिंग्स इन बिटवीन, बट you should maintain a good eye contact to be a good public speaker. What you can do if you're not that confident to look directly into someone's eyes, आप किसी की eyebrows पे focus कर सकते हो or maybe here. So it helped me a lot as well. And sometimes because you're not standing very close all the time to all the people that you speak to, right? तो आप अगर यहाँ पे खड़े हो and for example, the person is standing here at the same distance as you are right now, you won't even notice if I'm looking at your eyebrows or your forehead or your eyes. So sometimes the other person cannot even notice the difference. And I think ये चीज मुझे भी बहुत help की थी. So I'm sure it will help a lot of you as well. So you can try this out. Now, the next point is always saying something like you're asking a question. बहुत लोगों की टोन का कुछ थोड़ा सा इशू रहता है a lot of times. And जब आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, you at the end आपकी जो टोन है ना वो थोड़ी हाई हो जाती है, थोड़ी इंक्रीज हो जाती है, which makes it sound as if you're maybe asking a question and you're not that sure. For example, that's how we need to do it, right? And that's how we need to do it, right? So the first one was a question. The second one was not a question. The first one sounded like a question. So what you can do is try to keep your tone thoda ek level pe. Of course, highs and lows, intonation, that is very important. But know when you should do that. Now, this brings me to the third point, which is related to the second one. Using a lot of words that make you sound not so sure and doubtful, you know, words like I guess, I think so, I think, not sure, I don't know, maybe, all these words. Okay. So these words can sometimes be really important. मतलब अगर आप कुछ genuinely आपको नहीं पता है or maybe you're not sure about something, of course say it like, okay, I'm not really sure. I'm not asking you to pretend that even if you don't know, आप बोलो कि नहीं, I'm too sure about this. No, of course not. But what you can do is only use these words where it is absolutely necessary. कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि इन वर्ड्स की आदत हो जाती है, मुझे भी थी, मुझे अभी भी है, कभी कभी मैं जेन्युइनली अभी भी बोल देती हूँ कि आई थिंक दिस इज हाउ इट शुड बी, इवन व्हेन आई एम श्योर आई से या आई गेस आई डिड दैट, मैंने आई नो कि हाँ मैंने वो चीज की थी, तो फिर भी ऐसे, बट नाउ आई हैव ट्राइड टू रिड्यूस इट कॉन्शियसली, और मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं ये सारे वर्ड्स यूज ना करूँ, बिकॉज these words make you sound really underconfident. Fillers, I think नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, these are certain words that we use जिनका ऐसे टेक्निकली कोई मतलब है नहीं, बट वी जस्ट यूज इट टू फिल द गैप्स, कि मतलब हम एक वर्ड, एक सेंटेंस बोल रहे हैं, वी आर सेइंग समथिंग, और उसके बीच में हमें समझ नहीं आया क्या बोलना है, तो हमने एक वर्ड जोड़ दिया, तो इट्स समथिंग लाइक दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लाइक, you know, okay, yeah, all of this, you know. So the most common is like. I think that is something that हम लोग, I think सब लोग ही कहीं ना कहीं use करते हैं. You might not do it consciously, so I've also used it multiple times, but now I try कि मैं ये सारे words अपनी speech में use ना करूँ. I should not use these words, and I definitely have tried to eliminate all these. So कुछ भी आप बोल रहे हो, you're using a lot of fillers, or maybe doing if you've forgotten something, or if you're just trying to speak a lot, that is when that happens. Sometimes it's not even a word, like, you know, sometimes ये भी नहीं होता है, कभी कभी it's just what, कभी कभी it's just a sound. So then I did all these things. I've seen so many people do that, so many people, I can't tell you, and that is just because they are not that confident, and उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि they need to fill all the gaps. सबसे पहली चीज जो आपको करनी है, don't be too fast while speaking. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी अगर आप बोलते रहोगे तो of course आप fumble करोगे, and then you would want to use such words, या फिर आप चाहोगे नहीं भी तो भी वो चीज automatically हो जाएगी, because you will forget कि आप क्या बोलना चाह रहे थे या क्या हो रहा है, जो भी है, right? So instead what you can do is, instead of using these fillers, पहले तो अपनी एक टोन को एक पेस पे बात करो, so that आप फंबल नहीं करो. The second thing you need to do is, even if you forget something or you are just not sure कि अभी यहाँ पे मुझे क्या बोलना है, मेरे को वो वर्ड नहीं याद आ रहा, तो instead of saying you know, like all of this, आप एक सेकंड का पॉज ले सकते हो, छोटा सा पॉज. Someone might not even realize, and even if they do, trust me, fillers के comparatively this looks much better and so smooth, honestly. So what you can do is just pause for a second, think what you wanted to say, and then continue. And genuinely, sometimes the other person won't even realize कि आपने एक pause लिया, because you're not stopping for a minute or two. आप just एक दो second का gap ले रहे हो, एक दो second का pause ले रहे हो, and trust me, that is much better than using a filler. Now, to the last and final point, body language. Of course, eye contact is also a part of body language, but there are many more things. First is the way you stand or the way you sit, your posture. आप अगर straight खड़े हो, with your shoulders and back straight, upright, slouch नहीं कर रहे हो, झुक कर नहीं बैठे हो या झुक कर नहीं खड़े हो, automatically you look more open, you look more confident, and you look more approachable as well. But on the other hand, अगर आप ऐसे झुक के बैठे हो और आप सीधे नहीं खड़े हो या अपने हाथों को फोल्ड करके खड़े हो, you don't look that approachable, and trust me, you look very underconfident when you do that. So that is something जो of course with practice आएगा. I think जो भी सारी चीजें मैंने बताई हैं, these come with practice. Conscious effort is very important. The next thing, which is a part of this point, body language, is how you keep your hands. क्या आप बार बार अपने हाथों का यूज अपने बाल पीछे करने में, बाल ठीक करने में कर रहे हो? Maybe you're touching your face a lot, or you know, all the time just adjusting your clothes or your position, the way you're sitting and all of that. Or you're standing, you're using your hands, or you're standing with your arms apart. How you're standing, या फिर आपने ऐसे fold करके रखा है, मतलब the way you're standing, the way you're using your arms, the way you're sitting, that is absolutely very important if you want to be a good public speaker. So these were a few things that I think a lot of people do that make them sound and look very underconfident, and how you can avoid them. अगर आपको इस वीडियो से थोड़ी भी हेल्प हुई हो, तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स एंड अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं ऐसे और वीडियोस बनाऊं या सेम टॉपिक पे या कुछ रिलेटेड टॉपिक पे वीडियोस बनाऊं, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स. And please do not forget to like this video, share it with your friends, share it with people who you think might need it, or even if they don't need it, just still share it. They might know someone who might need it. Please go ahead and do that, and I will see you very soon in another video.